Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 13. Present tense. Knowledge acquisition. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Tense. Tense is used to denote the time of an action. There are three main forms of tenses. 1. The present tense. 2. The past tense. 3. The future tense. Each of the tense mentioned above has four forms. 1. Simple. 2. Continuous. 3. Perfect. 4. Perfect continuous. The simple present tense is used to indicate an action that takes place now, in the present. The simple past tense is used to denote an action that took place earlier, in the past. The simple future tense is used to indicate an action that is going to take place later, in the future tense. Now, look at the table given here that shows the different forms of verb. Play in all the tenses mentioned above. Present, positive, negative, interrogative, past tense, future tense, simple. I play. I do not play. Do I play? I played. I shall play. Continuous. I am playing. I am not playing. Am I playing? I was playing. I shall be playing. Perfect. I have played. I have not played. Have I played? I had played. I shall have played. Perfect. I have been. I have not. Have I been? I had been. I shall have. Continuous. Playing. Been playing. 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 Been playing. Present tense. Look at the table given below to understand uses of the present tense. Simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. To express a habitual action. Example. He goes to office by car. To express an action going on at the time of speaking. Example. She is playing. To indicate an action that has just been completed. Example. Khalid has gone out. To express scientific fact and general truth. Example. The sun gives us light and energy. To express a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. Example. She is learning to swim at the club these days. To denote an action which started in the past and is still continuing. Example. He has been on leave since last week. To express a future event that is part of a fixed program or timetable. Example. The delegation leaves for Geneva on Sunday. To indicate an action that is expected to take place in the near future. Example. The ladies are going for a movie this Sunday. To show past events, the time for which is not mentioned, its effect can be felt the time of speaking. Example. Sheena has completed the engineering course. Forms of simple present tense. Here is a table which shows different simple present tense forms of the verb sing. Positive. Negative. Interrogative. I sing. I do not sing. Do I sing? We sing. We do not sing. Do we sing? You all sing. You all do not sing. Do you all sing? He, she, it sings. Third person singular subject. He, she, it does not sing. Does he, she, it sing? They sing. Third person plural subject. They do not sing. Do they sing? Note, the simple present tense is also used in proverbs and saying as they refer or permanent truths. The positive sentence is formed by writing subject plus verbs first form plus s, es plus object. Example, the boy plays cricket. Subject verbs first form plus s, es object. The negative sentence is formed by writing subject plus do, does plus not plus base form of verb. Example, the boy does not read novels. Subject, does plus not. Main verb, object. The interrogative sentence is formed by writing do, does plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object plus. Example, does the boy read novels? Helping verb, subject. Main verb, object. Forms of present continuous tense. The forms of present continuous tense is am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. The negative form is am, is, are, plus not plus ing form the verb. Examples, 1. Fatima is covering her notebook. 2. Boys are learning martial arts. 3. Suman is not reading a magazine. 4. The dogs are not barking. In interrogative sentences, write the first part of the verb before the subject. Example, what are you doing? Verbs not used in continuous tense. There are some verbs which are used in the simple present tense but not in the present continuous tense. A. Verbs of feelings and emotions: desire, want, fear, hate, dislike, respect and appreciate. Example, he is respecting her. Incorrect, he respects her. Correct. B. Verbs of mental state and activity: disagree, agree, believe, disbelieve, differ, doubt, find, imagine, know, mean, remember, suppose, trust and so on. Example, she is doubting Hari's version of the story. Incorrect, she doubts Hari's version of the story. Correct. C. Verbs of senses: see, smell, hear, taste. Example, she is smelling the rose. Incorrect, she smells the rose. Correct. D. Verbs showing possession: possess, own. Example, she is possessing a big farm. Incorrect, she possesses a big farm. Correct. E. Verbs like appear, seem, consist, contain, resemble. Example, he is resembling his father. Incorrect, he resembles his father. Correct. Forms of present perfect tense. The form of present perfect tense is has, have plus past participle form of the verb. The negative form is has, have plus not plus past participle of the verb. Examples: 1. We have just finished our project work. 2. They have not gone to the auditorium. In interrogative sentences, we write as has have plus subject plus past participle form of the verb plus. Examples: 1. Has he eaten food? 2. What have they brought in the bag? Form of present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which started in the past and is still going on. Examples: 1. The child has been playing all day. 2. The priest has been praying in the temple since morning. It is also used with time phrases like all day, all week, all the time, since and for. Example: the girl has been waiting for her parents since morning. The form of present perfect continuous tense is have been, has been plus present participle. Example: the lady has been selling coconuts for 3 years. For negative sentences, we write have not been, has not been plus present participle. Example: he has not been playing football for 5 years. In interrogative sentences, the first part of the verb is put before the subject. Example: has the girl been waiting for her parents since morning? Here are sentences with verbs in different forms of the present tense. Examples: 1. She plays badminton every evening. Simple present. 2. He is studying now. Present continuous. 3. I have never tasted sushi. Present perfect. 4. She has been singing a song. Present perfect continuous.
Like, share and subscribe.